Hey viewers, good morning and welcome to third session of Muay Thai leg workout. First of all, thanks for all your appreciations and suggestions on our last two session Muay Thai leg workout. That was really encouraging one, and we believe our this session workout is going to be same benefited for all of you as well as it will be a engaging one. Okay, so in our today's workout session we will be learning how to improve setup movements, counter grappling techniques and workout for flying knee. Okay, so today's workout session will be slightly, you can say it is challenging one, not difficult one, but it's a kind of a bit challenging one. Okay, because there are a lot of jumping movements are there in this. Okay, but as you know, no pain so no gain, right? Okay, so then with that, so let's start today's third session of Muay Thai leg workout. So today's first workout is going to be sprawl. So sprawl is nothing, it's a kind of a grappling technique in martial art. Okay, so when someone going to grapple your knee or grapple your neck, what you can do, so I'm grappling someone, so what, just go back one step, okay, and pull him towards you. Okay, so that is called grappling, and to tackle that one we have to learn sprawl. Okay, so that means that's a sprawl is a counter attack for grappling, you can say. Okay, so let's see how to do it. So first you have to be in your guard, from your guard, okay, back, one, okay, then from here, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so that was sprawl. Okay, so again, sprawl is the basic foundation of the workouts we are going to do afterwards. So our second workout will be sprawl with tuck jump. Okay, so first we will do tuck jump, then we will sprawl. That means from here tuck jump, then we will go for sprawl. So what is the use of tuck jump is, so in Muay Thai we have a sweep knee. So tuck jump is like, so to, if someone go for a sweep knee, you just jump. Okay, so we are adding sprawl to that to make it little bit more intense. Okay, so let's start. So guys, this was sprawl with tuck jump. Okay, This workout will help you bring more improvement on your movements and all. Okay, so like when you're doing fight movements, okay, so this will help you in that. So our third workout will be again sprawl with high knee. So mostly high knee is not for kicking high, or like suppose you are doing a press kick, okay, you're doing a press kick. So when you do a press kick, your opponent will go far. So what you can do, press kick, then so that's a combination, okay. Go for hard press kick, then go for a flying knee, okay. So to practice that, we'll do sprawl with flying knee drill. So again, go back to your guard, from guard. One. Two. Three. Four. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. So okay, so when we are going forward for this knee, it will help you move further. So here again, okay. So guys, our next drill will be block and push. So this mostly used in sparring or matches when you want to keep your opponent further, okay, so that you can plan your attack as well, okay. So first let's do this drill, then I'll show you how to use it, okay. And when you do this drill, don't be lazy, okay. Lift your knee up to your shoulder, okay. So let's start. Keep your guard strong from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now how you are going to use it? Suppose your opponent is attacking you, so you push him, okay. You push him, go for a thrust kick, okay. Push him, go for a roundhouse kick. You push him, go for a elbow, okay. So if you can make your opponent go further, you can plan your attack as well. Okay, push him, go for the front, rear thrust kick. Okay, so our last workout of today's session is going to be ground kick. Okay, we use this one when you slip from a roundhouse kick or from a hook punch. Okay, you slip from here, go for a kick. Okay, so this is not that easy to land this kick. You need a lot of practice for this. I'll show you how you can practice this one. Okay, from here, okay, so one side so sideways as well. Okay, so that was your last drill of today's third session. So that's it from us on third session of Muay Thai leg workout. Okay, so yeah, this session leg workout is little bit on pro side or slightly tougher than last two session. So we'll be requesting our viewers to first try the last two sessions workout, so that when you will reach this session it will be little bit easier and you will be also much more flexible. Okay, so again we'll be bringing you the last session, that is the fourth session of Muay Thai leg workout, in our next video or next post. Okay, so till then, stay safe and stay healthy, and yeah, please do watch our channel and please subscribe.